right, so it is a little after 6 in the morning, and we are getting ready to go pick up a sauna. And about ready to shut those things down for the year. We're hoping we get one more blast of snow next week. Other than that, looks like we're done. Yeah, we're gonna get a sauna and we're bringing it to Grand Forks. We're gonna go pick it up in Grand Rapids, bringing it to Grand Forks today. So let's enjoy the adventure, and we are bringing old Stink Butt with us. Come on, Stinker. Get in there, Max.
Generals gathered in their masses, just like witches at black masses. Evil minds that plot destruction, sorcerer of death's construction. In the fields of bodies burning, as a war machine keeps turning, death and hatred to mankind, poisoning their brainwashed minds. Oh Lord, yeah.
Well, here is Albert Sauna, all ready to go, ready to leave Grand Rapids, Minnesota. It's a 6x6 wood burner, standard wood windows in the back. And you know, we get a lot of questions about how do these wood burners work. You can see back here, it's an external feed. You can load the wood in the back here and let her buck. We're going to show you a little video about how that works right now while we take our trip to Grand Forks. And I just want everybody to go. There's a little quick tutorial about how these external feed wood burners work with the barrel saunas here from Setri Barrel. Starting one of these wood fire stoves is a pretty simple process. Right there we have about 3 loads of firewood. We'll get into the firewood a little bit later, but you really just start out with some paper and some super dry small stuff to get going. So that's kind of, every time you start a fire, that's kind of your base. You want to get that going first, and then you'll load up one load, let it run out for half hour, 45 minutes, maybe an hour tops, and then you load it up again and we're ready to be ready to sauna. But we'll bring you through that process. We got a pretty good little base going there. Actually 2 big logs and a couple small ones. We'll probably load 1 more in there. But usually it's typically 2 to 4, depending on your size. You can see those ones are just a little bit bigger. But we're gonna let that run. We will shut this and we'll keep our map at about half full and just let her go to town. Now with that map, of course, it's almost like a Weber grill. The more you keep it open, the more air, the hotter you're gonna get, but the faster it's gonna burn out. If you shut her, it'll slow it down quite a bit. And yeah, your fire will last longer, but it won't get as hot. So yeah, we're just gonna let that run for a little bit. She's gonna get hot inside. If you see these straps on it, that's because this client, he bought it with the trailer. That's a drop-down trailer. And we're taking it out to Bozeman this week. But yeah, we're just gonna let that sucker start getting hot, and then we'll come back and check on it in about half an hour. So we are all ready to go. It's been about 1 hour and 15. And let's check it out again. Oh yeah, I think we'll put one more. We'll put one more in there. There we go. So you can kind of see what we started with, where we're at now, and let's go take our sauna. And yes, I am out here in sandals and snow. And we are going to do this. I've been coming through Grand Rapids for 20 years now, maybe. Every single time I'm here, I have to stop at this little gas station. And it's not because of their octane. It's because of what you're about to see inside.
Another head hangs lowly, child is slowly taken, and the violence causes silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they're fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns.
This is my favorite section right here. That's where I always come and get the dill pickle jerky. Bangs right there, boys. Alright, we are ready to rock. Got Max a little doggy bone. Max. Be ready for your doggy bone. Hurry up. Oh, we're on our way to Grand Forks now. We're leaving Grand Rapids. This old Maxie and me. We're here with Albert and his daughter, and they're walking in for the very first time of their 6x6 4-person. Oh, what's your first impression?
This is awesome. This is gonna be great.
The smell is something else, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
This is very nice. The smell, you're gonna get good heat out of this.
We'll load her up with rocks for you before we head out, and then we'll get her fired up, and she'll be ready to go for you. Yeah. Heck yeah. I just love this treehouse you got right here. I'm sure she's seen her better days, but that had been pretty fun back in the day.
It took a lot of wind to finally do it in.
Well, let's get this rocking for you, Albert.
All right, sounds good.
We got our inaugural burn going here with Albert. He's gonna be cooking tonight.
Absolutely.
You gonna be in there with them? Yeah. Yeah? Right on. You have to go jump in the snow right afterwards.
Not this snow.
Yeah. You might,
Next week, though,
might slide right off of it.
we need more snow.
Well, we're glad you like the sauna, Albert. You'll like it even more in a couple hours here.
Absolutely.